Hi, good evening, everyone. This is Corinne from Divis PH Academy. Tonight, I'm going to discuss the different types of lead generation. It is a part three of our lesson about how to become a lead generation specialist. In our previous videos, I discussed about the definition of lead generation specialist, the things that we have to consider as a lead generation specialist, and the things or the processes that we need to do as lead generation specialist. So today, I'm going to categorize a different type of lead generation based on two categories, the organic and automated or paid lead generation specialist. Please watch this video for more details.
Organic marketing is basically free marketing strategies. These strategies include creating your own original content and content created by a loyal fan. Organic marketing is much more authentic. Consumers trust organic marketing over paid advertisements. Even if it reaches fewer people, it tends to be more effective over time. Paid marketing or automated marketing, on the other hand, allows businesses to target, reach, engage, and convert their audiences quickly and directly. Instead of waiting, or hoping, for someone to find your blog post in organic search or on social, paid marketing has you pushing content, mainly in the form of ads, directly to your target audiences.
All right, thank you so much for watching the video. Let's get started and I'm going to discuss it deeper para mas lubos nating maunawaan ang lead generation types. So we start first with organic lead generation. Pinakakilala sa lahat is the cold calling or telemarketing. If you already watch our free webinar about real estate marketing, I already discussed how cold calling works and what are the things we have to ask to our leads. So this is an old school marketing, and we are reaching them through phone calls and ask if they're interested to avail a product or services. The second one is the social media marketing. If you already watch our free webinar on social media marketing, you can check it on our Facebook group, Work from Home Professional Philippines. It's a 2 hours webinar. I was discuss about different types of social media marketing, how to do that, and a lot more. So going back here in our lesson, so social media marketing is the use of social media platforms to connect with your audience to build your brand. So there are different types of social media pages or platform that is, famous nowadays. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, YouTube, Snapchat, and a lot more. And we also use those platforms to help businesses to get most out of this platform or to reach their target leads. So social media marketing, actually, meron ding paid, but we're going to focus first on the free or organic marketing. So for organic marketing, sa social media part, there are three ways to do that. First is we are going to create a valuable post kung ano man yung target client. For example, in our case, since our target client are those aspiring virtual assistant and freelancer. So if you check our group and our Facebook page, you will see that we have a lot of content that are connected to our target audience. Like there are tips about being VA, what are the things we have to consider, and what are the things we have to learn as a VA or freelancer, and a lot more. Other way to do organic marketing in social media is joining different Facebook group or LinkedIn group. So let's focus on Facebook group. So if you want to reach your target audience, for example, sa client mo, ang business niya ay lending or nagpapautang si client, you can create a Facebook group and invite those business owner that might be interested doon sa services ni client. You don't need to run an ads. You just go to different Facebook group, add them as your friends, and invite them to join the group. Ganun lang, kasimple. Then prospecting, once na na-connected ka na doon sa mga target audience mo, like ang example ko kanina, which is the business owner, you can send them a message, you can offer the services ng client mo, which is yung lending or nagpapautang, and you can discuss the processes. So medyo matrabaho lang ito, pero mas smooth, kumbaga mas targeted siya. Free and targeted. Okay? So let's move to the next part. Cold email. So normally sa cold email, it's either bibili kayo ng email sa isang lead generation agency or you can get it to different website ng mga target audience mo. So going back to sa example ko or business owner yung example mo, you can search different businesses or small businesses in a specific area. You can get your email address on their website. And then, iba rin yung ginagawa ko din sa mga Facebook group din ako kumukuha ng email or I do manual skip tracing. So once you get the email, that's the time you will send an email to your target audience, which is, the business owner. I'm actually on the next video, I'm going to show a different example or mga example ng mga organic lead generation. So actually yung iba, like the web research, the manual skip tracing, I already discussed that dun sa mga nakaraang video ko, pero i-discuss ko siya sa susunod ulit. Mas i-connect ko siya dito sa lead generation. Okay, so going back to cold email, it's not less intrusive siya, hindi siya nakaka-intimidate because you will just send an email to your target audience. And napaka-idali niya as long as you know how to use Gmail or email, you don't need a special skills, you know how to create email content, and you can have it as your job. Kasi I have VAs na ganito yung work nila. They're just sending emails, they're just sending messages on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram to their target audience. So they don't have the experience, but they're able to ace the job because they know how to use social media and email. All right. So next is web research. Internet research is the practice of using internet to get information. It's free, and let's say yung nga na example ko nga kanina, you want to get in touch with different business owner in a specific area, you can just search it on Google, like small businesses in New York. Then you will see their website. Then once you get their website, you can get the email or the name of the owner and a lot more. So depende sa hinihingi ng client mo. So you really need to be more resourceful when you do web research. You need to know how to filter or categorize each topic. All right, so next is manual skip tracing. So we use fast people search and through people search. If you watch my video about how to get free info or for your leads, makikita niyo yung process dun. So sa manual skip tracing, we are searching contact numbers through fast people or through people search. So of course, you have to get a VPN para ma-access nyo to since it's not accessible dito sa ating bansa. Then you will just search their name and the city or their addresses and you will get the information. So next is blogging or blog writing. So pag susulat ng blog kasi, once people are reading a blog, nagke-create ito ng traffic sa website, and the more na nagbabasa sa blog mo, yung SEO nito nag-increase. So of course, how I'm gonna let people read my blog? So you can share it through Facebook group, through Facebook or LinkedIn, so whatever. Ano mang diskarte nila. So maybe on the next month or susunod na araw, I'm going to teach you how to write a blog with less effort. Because I used to be a blogger and I don't exert too much effort on writing a blog. All right, going back here on our lesson, next is freebies. So, your client or kayo mismo, magbibigay ng mga freebies like free webinar katulad ng ginagawa ko, free videos, free reading materials, parapol, mga ganyan, mga promotions. And because of the freebies, the people will get the taste of the product and services na ino-offer ng client. So, isa rin sa mga naging diskarte namin noon ng client ko na real estate coach siya. Kung gusto niyang mas maraming umattend doon sa webinar nila is you can offer freebies. Nung nagpamigay siya ng tablet, dumagsa yung yung mga umattend, and then yun, nagkaroon sila ng sale. Pero syempre, medyo mahirap din ito dahil hindi lahat ng sumusubok ng free ay nag-go through. So parang alam mo naman ng mga tao, they just want to get free and they don't want to pay. Parang ganon. So anyway, actually effective ito, lalo na sa mga coaching businesses or kapag nagkaroon ka ng coaches na client. Okay? So next naman is automated lead generation. So kung yung organic is free or mabagal yung process niya, but it has personal touch. So automated lead generation is faster compared to organic. But of course, it costs money. Kasi may mga subscription, you have to paid ads, or the client need to paid ads. Of course, hindi naman ikaw ang magbayad since you're the one going to run the campaign or the automated campaign. So, going to enumerate different type of automated or paid lead generation techniques. So first is paid ads. So we already know that like Facebook ads, Google ad, YouTube ads, Instagram ads. So there are specific amount per day para magkaroon ng mas malaking reach. The good thing with paid ads is you can target your audience and lalawak ang reach mo. Kumbaga, you're just sitting or your client is just sitting, you will just wait for them to see the ads, and once they are interested, they will send a message or they will send an email. And ganun na siya kabilis, diba? So I used to run Facebook ads on my business before na kumbaga siguro every 10 minutes, 5 minutes may nagme-message. But of course, yung mga nagme-message na not all of them will avail the product. But siyempre, ang mahalaga doon, malawak ang reach ng Facebook page ko and they avail, may mga nag-a-avail din naman. Okay? So next is email marketing. So I mentioned earlier yung cold email. Yung cold email kasi mano-mano siya. Iisa-isain mo yung email address na nasa list and you will send an email sa mga nasa list na yun. Using Gmail or Yahoo Mail. So copy-paste ka lang, then send, copy-paste, edit content, send. Ganun yung cold email. Not like with email marketing, you will just set the content, of course, the contacts, and when you will send it, and then it will automatically send to your target audience based on the schedule na sinet mo. So of course, you can offer new product, discounts, services, and a lot more depende sa product or services ng client. So sa real estate, ang ginagawa ng mga client ko noon, we use MailChimp and REI Reply or REI Blackpool. You will just activate the automation and it will automatically send to the leads. And then once they read the email or once they receive it, they will respond. If they will say interested or not. So ganun lang. It will not take too much of the time, but it will take money. Next is SMS marketing. So sa text naman ito, you will just set the campaign. So katulad ng simple text, yung smart contact, batch leads, those are the example of the tools that we use for SMS marketing. it has subscription. Di ba si client naman ang magbabayad nun. As long as you know how to run or use the tools, it will send, kumbaga in just 30 seconds or 1 minute, masasend na yun sa lahat ng contacts na nasa system nyo. Okay? Next is landing page. So once we run an ads, for example, Facebook ad, may yung iba doon, nililink nila yung landing page nila, and once they click it or once they sign up, mapupunta na ito sa CRM, or the client will receive an email that there's someone sign up on the landing page. And once they sign up, we will call them. Ganun lang. So, ganun kasimple ang landing page. Of course, you need to have some web design skills enabled for you to do the landing page. But there are email marketing tools like MailChimp and Sendinblue that you can also create landing page. Just drag, edit ng content, and then you have a landing page. Okay? So next is chatbot. Once they visit your website or your Facebook page or your client's Facebook page or website, the chatbot will automatically respond to your leads question or clients or target client questions. So, of course, may subscription ito, like the one we use is yung message. I forget the tools, but we used that before. Ngayon, may mga chatbot kasi na free pero limited. Once na na-reach na yung ganitong limitation, hindi na nag-activate pa yung mga automation. So what good with chatbot is, si client or ikaw mismo, you don't need to respond na bawat ng chat, kumbaga automatic na nagre-response yung system with the help of AI or artificial intelligence. So SEO, actually SEO can be an organic, like writing blog or visiting the website. Meron ding paid SEO like yung Google Words, AdWords. So once they search something on the web, yung website ni client nandoon sa top, makikita na agad. Kasi they are paying a certain subscription on Google AdWords. And once the target leads or yung mga interested lead will search, for example, real estate investor in New York. And once they type in, kapag nakasubscribe si client sa Google AdWords, nasa top page siya. Or di kaya kung may mga SEO na nakaset up, hindi mo siya top page, nandun siya sa top 10 ng page. Okay, that's SEO. So of course, you have to get an SEO skills para magkaroon kayo ng knowledge on SEO. All right, so that's about it. So just a recap, I discussed to you different types of lead generation, the organic, which is free, and automation or paid ads. So thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel para sa mga updated free trainings. You can also join our Facebook group, Work From Home Professional Philippines. We're growing and we're posting a lot of update and freebies, promos, or tips on how to become BA and freelancer. And lastly, if you have time, you can watch our videos on our YouTube channel, and you can like and share as well. All right. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.